Sweet Endings comes to you courtesy Creamery Novelties Ice Cream. Live a little. So time for Sweet Endings, brought to you by the folks at Creamery Novelty Ice Creams. A few years ago, Chef Cheryl, more than a few, I visited Italy.
Okay.
And I had a cup of coffee by a coffee bar.
Right.
And I saw a guy scoop some ice cream.
And made like a float ice cream.
I said, what is he doing? And then I got to learn, this is an Italian dessert, so to speak. It's called affogato, where you just pour some brewed coffee over ice cream and allow it to just melt.
Any flavor ice cream.
Yeah, but I think I like it with vanilla. And you just pour your favorite brewed coffee with creamy ice cream and just allow it to melt and sip.
So your two favorite things in one cup.
Coffee and ice cream.
Coffee and ice cream.
Goodness.
What is better?
Woo-hoo.
And I realize you only have one cup again.
I only have one
find
cup.
this
No,
kind
but
of-
this was a gift. Marla gave me this as a gift. So this is like a 1 cup serving.
But you didn't. You could have taken a smaller cup though.
This is my cup of coffee, Jeff. Why you want me
And
to
share. I find you're not sharing. I find in these times you're supposed to share. You're not sharing.
As soon as we finish, I'm going to make one for Chef.
Okay.
But Chef has had to do another fantastic dessert using the Creamery line of ice cream.
Yes.
What flavors are you using?
So we're going to use pistachio and coconut.
Also, you're doing 2 flavors.
We're doing 2 flavors together.
Nice.
And we're making a sort of ice cream cake. Now for me, you know, when you bake cake, you always have scraps because you always have to level and cut and that kind of stuff.
Okay.
So what I did is I simply put some frosting in the cake scrap to moisten it up a little more. So that is going to be our base. So I'm going to press it in. But again, as I said, and I'm using a spring foam pan. And to the bottom, I put a piece of greaseproof paper to the bottom. And to the sides, I line the sides because what you want it to come out very easily. Now, if you don't have a spring foam pan and you just have a normal cake pan, you may want to line the whole of the inside of the pan with cling.
Good. Cling foam wrap.
Cling wrap, right? So that when it's finished, when it's frozen, you can just pull the cling and lift it all the way out, right? So we press it in, right? So we're gonna put the pistachio first. See, nice. All right, so we're gonna scoop it in. All right. Now,
crazy coloring.
yeah. Now, if the ice cream is too soft, you could still put it in, but just remember that you will have to let it freeze a little bit. All right. I have my spatula and I'm going to use that to press the ice cream down to level it off. So after I press the pistachio down, I made a little hole in the middle, like that. And I have some chocolate here.
Good.
And I put it in the middle there, you know,
Surprise.
so a little surprise could fall out of there, right? So let's go now to the coconut. And you get that nice green and white color, and then you have that dark chocolate color to the bottom. There we go. See how nice and white this coconut is? So you scoop it too. Don't worry if it's too hard because you're going to press it in, and you layer it. And I did it all around that I could have the middle again. Pour some of our chocolate in there.
So when you're doing this dessert for the holidays, make sure you get the 2 liter because
Yeah, you will definitely need the 2
You
liter.
get the 2 liter creamery because you will need it.
Right?
And you just press that down.
And you just press that down. See? Flatten it down. So we put it in the freezer.
In the freezer.
As we said, you can leave it overnight. And I have one here that's finished. So should we cut these?
We should.
You think so?
We should.
You're going to share?
Wow.
See? So you have your
So you have all the
coconut.
layers. Oh my goodness. That's so cool.
and your thing. But seeing as you having coffee, you know,
you have here, you love.
I'll taste it.
You taste it.
I'll taste it. I'll tell you what it
But
is.
the layers are fantastic.
Yes,
And, oh my
nice.
goodness, yeah.
See,
So it's your own ice cream cake.
it's your own ice cream cake. You don't have to expend yourself
Yeah.
and go buy one, and then by the time you finish, you don't have any more. So
Did something similar last week with a crumble using chocolate cream biscuits, and we did something very similar. But you can use like experiment with different flavors
You can.
and colors and so on.
let me tell you, don't be afraid to experiment with your flavors. Right? Sometimes
creamy has such a wide
Exactly.
wide range.
You have peanut, you have the vanilla. Sometimes people may say that may not go with it.
Yeah.
If your mind tells you that it may not go, it would go.
Yeah.
Just try it, and you can even use 3 different flavors if you want. Maybe I could put, with the chocolate, put a peanut
Right. That kind of
and
thing.
put the vanilla in the middle,
Excellent stuff.
pistachio on top.
Excellent. So guys, try this. This is fantastic. Very simple. Lovely dessert for the holidays. Sweet endings here on Cup of Joe Christmas. And if you have never tried an affogato, get yourself some creamery ice cream and just get yourself your favorite brewed coffee, pour it over, allow the ice cream to melt, and you just sip away. It's that good. It is that good. I want to thank the folks at Creamery for making it possible. Creamery is our very own locally produced ice cream, guys. Go out and support local.